I'm back same night. I think I might have found the fabric. So my beautiful, wonderful, lovely friend Haley is also working on Alicent, and she found I believe, the exact fabric they used in the show from the UK, from topfabric.uk or .co.uk. And I think I might have found Rhaenyra's fabric as well. This price tag, y'all. Ugh. It's unconfirmed. This might be it, because this is similar to the link that she shared with me for her Alicent fabric. When I say in my price range, I really do mean in my price range. I did the math. I need about 4 yards, which turns out to be that many meters, and it's going to be around 342 pounds, which is roughly similar in US dollars. So I'd say with shipping, this thing will probably top out to like $375 for fabric. It's not impossible. It's very expensive, but I would really like to find a cheaper shipping and cheaper option. But it's so beautiful. Look at it. It does read very gray here because I think that's the lighting. But yeah. I'm going to stay close to the costume designer's Instagram. Maybe she'll talk about it when the actual dress drops, because I have a feeling this dress is going to be kind of like the big one that Rhaenyra wears, and everyone's going to love it. So maybe this is the actual fabric. I don't know. I'm not purchasing anything until I actually see the dress on screen. So not a bad idea. I am going to change my keyword searches a little bit. Go back to using jacquard and silk and taffeta into my keyword searches. Maybe I can find something from Mood or something closer and from the US, just because shipping costs. Blah. Here's to becoming Rhaenyra Targaryen and the series continuing to go. Hope you guys like these. Let me know.